5 Best Butcher Blocks. The secret to perfectly cut meat. Discover the best butcher blocks. There are a few features that set a good butcher's block apart from a run-of-the-mill cutting board. A greater thickness, large size, sturdy handles, a hefty weight, and grain direction help to make quick, safe work of preparing bulky foods, like roasts or tough winter squash. A quality model can also act as a rustic tray for serving charcuterie and antipasti spreads. When users buy our independently chosen editorial picks review parks. Best belay devices. Best belay devices for climbing rock walls. Villa Acacia Extra Large Butcher Block. Ironwood Gourmet End Grain Union Stockyard. Extra large organic bamboo cutting board. John Boo's AB01 End Grain Butcher Block Table Crazy Sale.
They're part of the history of America. This plant was built 24 years after the Civil War ended. Most of these factories have gone overseas. This is still right here in the same location, and it's just ingrained in all of us that grew up in this area. Well, the people that have been making this, some of those old men have been over there for 40 years, maybe some of them 50 years. You know, their knowledge, the way they repair a block. These old guys are like surgeons, you know, that they know what they're doing. Everybody's got their part. Every one of us is a cog in a wheel that makes a wonderful product at the very end. And we're proud of that. The last process is that Boo's hot stamp. When the smoke rolls off of that stamp, I get a feeling of pride that, wow, there's another Boo's product that somebody's going to be proud of and have in their house probably for the rest of their lives.
Sonder Los Angeles. Large teak wood cutting board crazy sale.
Think about where you want, bucky down gun. Where you want that pipe down man. Where you want, bucky down gun. Get cracking, get
clean, lint-free cloth.
Think about where you want, bucky down gun. Where you want that pipe down man. Where you want, bucky down gun. Get cracking, get
The oil will absorb.
Think about where you want, bucky down gun. Where you want that pipe down man. Where you want, bucky down gun. Get cracking, get
back to its natural state.
Think about